Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu-alaikum warahmatullah. Today we will learn next two letters of this chapter. Ta, Dha. Let's start. The first letter is Ta. Makhraj of Ta is touch the tip of the tongue to the root of the upper teeth. It is similar to Ta, but the difference is like A and A. Ta, Ta. Ta, Ta. So it is Ta. Repeat with me 3 times. Ta, Ta, Ta. Don't say it ta or toa. It is ta. Don't make your lips round for ta. It is a thick word. Next letter is dha. Makhraj of dha is touch the tip of the tongue to the edge of upper teeth and blow with a thick sound. It is similar to dha, but the difference is like a and a. Dha, 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 dha. Repeat with me 3 times. Dha, dha, dha. Don't say it like za or zwa or zwa or whatever. And don't make your lips round for zwa. It is a thick word. That's it for now. Jazakumullahu khairan kathira. Wassalamu alaikum.